Ever found yourself scrambling for a last-minute gift, something thoughtful, something unique, something British? Or maybe you know someone obsessed with period dramas, historical mysteries, or quirky comedies. Well, today we're diving into a question that might just solve your gifting dilemmas. Can you gift an Acorn TV subscription? We live in a world of subscriptions. From streaming movies and music to meal kits and beauty boxes, it seems you can subscribe to just about anything these days. And with that comes the rise of subscription gifting. It's a fantastic way to introduce someone to a service you love, or to simply give them the gift of entertainment. But not all subscriptions are created equal when it comes to gifting. Some are easy, some are complicated, and some just aren't giftable at all. So, where does Acorn TV fall on this spectrum? Acorn TV, for those unfamiliar, is a streaming service specializing in British television. Think Doctor Who, Midsummer Murders, Vera, and a whole host of other brilliant shows. It's a treasure trove for Anglophiles, mystery lovers, and anyone who appreciates quality television. So, naturally, the question arises, can you share this treasure trove with someone else through the gift of a subscription? The short answer is yes, you can gift an Acorn TV subscription. But, like most things in life, there's a bit more to it than a simple yes or no. Let's break down the different ways you can gift Acorn TV and what you need to know about each. The most straightforward method is purchasing a gift subscription directly through the Acorn TV website. This is generally the easiest and most recommended approach. You essentially buy a prepaid subscription for a set period, typically a month or a year, and the recipient receives a code or instructions on how to redeem it. It's like buying a gift card, but specifically for Acorn TV. When you go this route, you usually have the option to choose the length of the gift subscription. A month is perfect for a trial run, letting the recipient explore the platform and see if it's to their taste. A year-long subscription, on the other hand, is a more substantial gift, offering a full year of British entertainment. Consider the recipient's viewing habits and your budget when making this decision. Another important aspect of gifting an Acorn TV subscription directly is the delivery method. Typically, you'll have the option to send the gift notification via email. This is convenient and allows you to schedule the delivery for a specific date, like a birthday or holiday. You can even personalize the email with a message, adding a personal touch to your gift. Alternatively, some platforms might allow you to print out a gift code. This is a good option if you prefer to give a physical gift or if you're worried about the email getting lost in the recipient's inbox. Just remember to include clear instructions on how to redeem the code. Now, let's talk about some potential caveats. While gifting directly through the Acorn TV website is the most common method, there might be other ways to gift a subscription depending on where you live and how you access Acorn TV. For example, some third-party platforms that offer Acorn TV as part of a bundle might have their own gifting options. However, these options might be less common and could have different terms and conditions. It's also worth noting that you generally can't gift an Acorn TV subscription through a third-party retailer like Amazon or Roku in the same way you might gift a gift card. While you can often subscribe to Acorn TV through these platforms, gifting usually involves separate processes or might not be available at all. So, if you're considering gifting Acorn TV, it's always best to check the official Acorn TV website for the most up-to-date information on gifting options. Another thing to consider is the recipient's existing Acorn TV subscription status. If they already have an active subscription, gifting them another one might not be as straightforward as you think. In some cases, the gift subscription might simply extend their current subscription period. In other cases, they might need to cancel their existing subscription before redeeming the gift. It's always a good idea to check with Acorn TV customer support or consult their FAQs to clarify how gifting works in these scenarios. Finally, let's address the question of returns and refunds. Generally, gift subscriptions are non-refundable. This is pretty standard practice for digital goods and subscription services. So, before you purchase a gift subscription, make sure you're confident that the recipient will enjoy it. Think about their viewing habits, their interest in British television, and whether they already have access to other streaming services with similar content. So, to recap, yes, you can definitely gift an Acorn TV subscription. The easiest and most reliable way is to purchase a gift subscription directly through the Acorn TV website. Choose the duration of the subscription, personalize the gift notification, and ensure the recipient knows how to redeem it. Keep in mind the potential caveats regarding third-party platforms, existing subscriptions, and the non-refundable nature of gift subscriptions. By following these tips, you can give the gift of British television and introduce someone to the wonderful world of Acorn TV. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.